How will the Welsh Government expenditure on public transport benefit the Rhondda?
Well, we're moving forward with our ambitious vision to reshape public transport infrastructure and services right across Wales, and of course including local bus services, rail services, active travel and the South Wales Metro.
When the details of the new train franchise were announced, it was revealed that the new headquarters would be located in the Treforest area. Now, I'm of the view that this was a missed opportunity to locate a major employer in an area where jobs, particularly well-paid jobs, are even more scarce than they are in Treforest. The heads of the Valleys area in my constituency, places such as Mardy, Ferndale, Treherbert, are examples of places where the new transport headquarters would have made a big difference to the local economy and gone a long way towards rectifying decades of neglect. Since you earlier welcomed pressure from members, I would like to know what other opportunities there may be to ensure that the communities that I represent in the Rhondda benefit from the new rail franchise. Can you tell the people that I represent how in the future the Rhondda can directly benefit from employment opportunities under the new rail franchise?
Well, as a not-for-profit organisation, there will be huge opportunities for local businesses to benefit from the new franchise. Transport for Wales will be looking at utilising stations to ensure that they can be used by businesses and start-ups. But I have to say to the member that RCT is the single biggest beneficiary of the next phase of Metro. Transport for Wales, as a member is already aware, have several imminent improvements planned for rail services in the Rhondda. I should just repeat them though. By the end of this year, we'll be introducing a number of newer class trains operating on the route, increasing, as I said, to Heaven David, increasing capacity from 212 on the older trains to 292. There'll be an increase in the frequency of Sunday services between Cardiff Central and Treherbert to 1 train per hour. And a deep cleaning programme will be in place at all stations in the Rhondda as part of an initial refresh. Automatic ticket machines will be in place at all stations within the members' constituency as well that do not currently have these facilities. And in the longer term, the Rhondda will directly benefit from Transport for Wales's hugely ambitious, transformative plans for the South Wales Metro. That includes opportunities for businesses to exploit in terms of supply chain opportunities as the infrastructure of the South Wales Metro is delivered.